Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? Today's the last day with the code Alpha Future Sale. Regardless, but besides that, I'm gonna go over the trade recap today. Today was a very stupid mistake on my end. Like, when I say stupid, I mean I'm so mad at myself. So I made $3,000 on Tradeify, and I lost close to $18,000 on Lucid, right? So I'm down $15,000 on the day. And let me go over why and why it was a very stupid mistake on my end. So I took this trade and it was obviously a loss. I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times. I just think it was Nasdaq being fucking retarded. If we look at ES from 9:36 to 10 a.m., we could see, or 9:35 is when I entered, we could see price went and hit our take profit on ES. But while ES was moving up, Nasdaq kept dumping. This is some of the worst price action I have seen in a very long time. And you guys know I'm not one to complain about price action. When I take a loss, I say, okay, I deserve to take a loss. This is the stupidest shit I have seen in a very long time. And to top things off, instead of entering with 2 contracts like I usually enter, my what's it called? My platform was preset with 5 contracts. So that's my fault. That was completely my fault. I log in and I click buy. I didn't even check how many contracts I was in with until my stop loss got hit. And I got filled like down here too because I didn't even set one. It was very poor trading day on my end. Overall, I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times. We tapped into a 1-hour order block and a 1-hour FEG. And you can see price is literally about to smack our take profit. Just wanted to tap into this order block below us. You see on the hourly time frame. A lot of people took this trade as well. I'm not mad about this loss because I'm mad that I entered with too many contracts. Whatever. The other trade I took, by the way, on Tradeify that hit was actually last night. Sorry. Although here. We're coming out of a 1-hour gap, and I took a long to that high. Something like that. Small scalp on the, it was on the 1 minute, but the same thing on the 15 minute. That's what I took on Tradeify to make $3,000. Hopefully I can request a $10,000 payout with them by the end of the week. That'd be nice, right? This trade is based off order block, FEG. We did tap into this one down here after making another bearish SMT, which gave us all the more reason to push higher. I would never take this trade right here. A lot of people took this trade or this one. This 1 minute FEG, but you're still trading inside a 3-minute bearish order block, right? At this point in time, you're still trading inside a 3-minute bearish order block. And as well as here. You're trading inside a 3-minute bearish order block here and a 3-minute bearish order block here. On top of that one, in this one, you would need a 50-point stop loss, which does not make sense. And that candle took this high, 945. So at 945, you put in a bearish SMT with ES. You should not be longing it. That is a very stupid mistake, right? If you want to long, you wait for your price to sweep sell side again and then reverse. You could probably enter off here. We made a CISD and respected it. Previous day high, something like this would make more sense. I don't have any accounts left to trade right now. I'm going to pick up some evals with Alpha Futures and hopefully get a payout to show you guys how Alpha works. Alpha is my favorite prop firm. I just can't manage 3 prop firms at once. But I think I'm going to take a break from Lucid just because I don't even know that prop firm. Regardless, and I hit max day loss limit, so recovering from that is going to take a while. So until then, I'm just going to take trades with Alpha, right? But I'm going to go over why certain trades did not play out, right? This trade, my trade, I entered off a 1-minute CISD. Why didn't this play out? I actually can't tell you. We tapped into a bearish 2-minute gap right here and then pushed lower. If price was bullish, it should just disrespect that 2-minute gap. We were in a 1 hour gap and 1 hour order block. I don't know what the fuck price was doing. We didn't take out London lows. We didn't take out important sell side. We didn't tap into true day open. Price was just playing fucking games. So that was a loss that I don't mind taking. If you are taking a loss because of your own judgment, that is a poor loss. If you are taking a loss because of poor price action, those are the only losses you should be taking. That's like one thing I learned from TJR a long time ago. Right? Besides that, there's actually no valid trades for around 10 minutes. This 1 minute IFEG is not valid. And this displacement candle here is not valid either, right? So you should not be taking any of those trades. Besides that, enjoy your alpha sale. It's going to be your last day for a while. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. I will be here to answer, all right? I hope you guys have a great fucking day. And I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.